How to add the end screen to YouTube 2022 in one simple step only. Why can't I add end screen? Hi there and hello there, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss to solve one very important but simple problem of end screen not working. Not working in the sense that when I upload a video and want to add an end screen and it says that this video does not have an end screen, which is so important requirement of SEO. What the heck, man? You are using the right resolution when recording or shooting on mobile or camera. That is 16:9 or 1280 by 720 ratio, and still you are not able to add end screens to your uploaded videos. Then you are wondering what is the problem or where is the problem. Don't worry, here in this video I will solve your problem just like this, chutki mein, and so keep watching.
Thanks for watching Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial.
Question: why can't I add end screen? Remember this requirement of YouTube. You cannot have end screens on videos that you have identified as made for kids. If you want to add an external link, you must be on the YouTube Partner Program. This has a set of requirements to join, including having 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours in the last year. Now let's have a look at this video on my channel. Let me click on this pen or pencil, and now here in the end screen, let me again click on the pen or pencil and let me play this video. Here you will see that I have not added any end screen. So now I will try to add an end screen. Let me click on the video, and here you can see the reason in red. Now go to settings. And here I will show you one important setting that you need to check or set it up. Go to advanced settings and change this setting to no, this video is not made for kids. Once that is done, close that. Next, let's select this to all video options. Select all your videos. Then next go to edit and select audience. Here is the most important settings which many will not know or are not aware of. So select this option, not made for kids. Click on update videos. Now read this before you proceed, that once agreed it cannot be undone or cancelled. Click here and wait for about a minute or so. Well, so after waiting, I got this message that 30 videos on my first page are updated. So if you have more videos, then you have to do it for the other videos as well. After a while, adding the end screen option will appear. So don't expect instantly. Now next, if you play the video again, the end screen is not appearing, and that is because you need to select and add your end screen options. Here you can find all the options that you can select. I will show you by selecting one of these options from here. Here you can see I've selected two options. So this is how I have solved the problem that was bothering you for so long. Now friends, viewers, if I tell you to leave your feedback, I'm sure you guys will not bother to do so. So leave it, but at least hit that dislike button. Yes, dislike, not like. Don't worry, I will be happy. Even dislikes makes me happy. Thank you for watching this video, and do like and subscribe to my video. Bye bye and take care.